Hello everyone and welcome again to Tech Channel. We are back with another tutorial, and in this video we will be showing you how to sign up and create a new account on WhatsApp. First of all, if you haven't installed the application yet, go into your application store and then search for WhatsApp. Once you find the application, tap on install and then wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is completed, tap on open and this will open up the WhatsApp application. Press on agree and continue and you will be asked to enter your phone number. Go ahead and enter your phone number and then tap on the next button. You will be asked to confirm your number. Tap on edit to change your number or press on the OK button to confirm your number. Now you will be asked to enter a verification code. This code will be sent to you through a text message by WhatsApp. Go ahead and enter this code and then your account will be verified. Tap on the continue button to continue signing up. Now press on the allow button in order to allow WhatsApp access into your local storage and your contacts. Now go ahead and type in your name and press the next button. You can also set your profile picture by tapping on the photo icon. Once you press on the next button, you will be signed up to WhatsApp. Now your account is ready to be used to make audio and video calls as well as messaging with your contacts. So that's all for this video. If you like our content, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.